y'all, so today this is gonna be a super quick video. I'm gonna do an update on my lock. Well, I've had my hair like this for like probably like 9 months. I think 9 months, I'm not sure, but they are locking pretty nice. I started them with the 2-strand twist method, and at this point I cannot untwist them, so they locked up like really quick. The only thing I put on my hair is wild growth oil and water. Like, I spritz it with water every now and then just to give it a little moisture because I don't want it to get dry. I've been retwisting it kind of once every month. I'm gonna stop doing that. I'm gonna let it go for longer next time. Well, this time. And so I tried to not be a product junkie. Is that cute? But I seen online, I came across this video, and this lady, she was retwisting with just water. And I think I'm gonna try that, just retwisting with water, just to see how that goes. Because I'm like, okay, to me, that's the most natural you can get right there. It's however I decide to style them. I go ahead and style them and tie my edges down. So, I'm just gonna let that sit for a while. But, back to the locks. See, I like them to look like this. I don't really like them to look freshly retwist, but you know, sometimes you just gotta get it retwist. So, yeah, my favorite part about them is the ends. Like, do y'all see that little curl at the ends? Like, that is, I play with that little curl so much. Like, and so also what I don't do is like sit all day and twist like at the root. So like when I feel like playing with the little curls at the ends, I hold it like this and just twist the ends like that. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, I will be back with more videos. You see how the edge is laying now? We're gonna see how long that lasts. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys later.